It's a zoo.
Let me do my tour.
Tour in the wild.
Tour in the wild. Yes.
They are taking it to the jungle.
Hey, and I'm also recording the trip to the jungle. Yes.
Patrick, Junior and two, the three are international. Hey, the last night,
This place is cool. You just come and sit. You just come and sit here if you're feeling hot.
During the sunny season, this is the best.
It's the best place. Maybe she's tired. She will come.
Robina.
You are here
My friend.
in your cool place.
We are here.
It's a good place to be here.
Really?
It's a cool place to be. A lot of things have changed, eh? Just
What
been
has
here a long time. Everything has changed.
Are you sure?
The buildings, the houses.
Really?
I even got confused when we reached at Uncle Joe's place. I was like, hey, I didn't leave a gate at Clovis's place. Oh no, that is not the place. It has really changed.
Yes, yes.
Is there a fish here?
Yes. There is fish. Yum. It's upon you. Hey.
So you fish?
Yeah, except people are lazy fish. Those who are interested, they come and fish and they catch.
Yeah, I think I should come with my hook next
Yes,
time.
yes, you come with a hook, you fish.
They are big, eh?
Yeah, about 400 grams there, 300 grams. Even you have bigger ones in the other pond, the other end.
Where is the other pond?
Hey, you don't know that one there?
I think I've forgotten. I remember this one.
I think you need to go to the other pond also. Like this passing the other end. Robina!
She's coming.
Noija kubura. Now with me, let me start guiding Miriam.
You guide me. Me, I'm documenting my tour. So
Yes, yes.
we leave the ones who are lazy.
The best would have been the manager who guides, because he knows how he actually moves with the guests.
Okay.
But I can also would have started the other end. Yeah, I think that is coffee.
This is coffee.
I need to be planting coffee planting.
Hey, you can carry it.
Oh, this is coffee, eh?
Yeah, this is coffee.
Can you carry auntie? Can you carry auntie?
Yes, I can. I can.
I'm
Do you know that auntie used to carry me also?
What a lie.
Yes, auntie can carry me.
What a lie.
That's a boy.
Where are you going?
I'm coming. So, Kai, you remember you're going to write a story of your travel? They even know where to pass.
They know these ones are very.
Susan, we should be fishing. I'm going to come with William and we fish.
People come here and they
That cut in better if
those fishing rods. We'll bring them and fish.
There we do fish.
We should.
You want to pass here also?
This place is really cool. You not suffer with the heat. Yes?
This is chamomile.
Yes.
Where is chamomile?
That one. Chamomile is
Oh, this tree? That tree? Where she's standing? Oh, this is chamomile. These are the flowers we see on the boxes. Chamomile. Okay.
Uncle Clovis.
Yes?
Where you go?
What is she doing here?
Let's go. Where are we going now?
What are those? Travis,
Yes?
what are these?
That's mushroom growing.
Oh, mushrooms. She's watering them, eh?
Yes,
Ah, this is how the mushrooms are grown. Okay, this is good. Mushrooms. I can see a bit of it, but it's dark. Okay, this is good.
This is oregano. It's a very important.
Oregano. This one here.
Yes.
Oregano.
That is Guatemala grass. I'm making feeds out of them.
Oregano, guys.
Yes.
You!
Baleke.
Why we're becoming herbalists.
You need to be. You need to be.
Mambusha is casting. You people left to me. You people, they are insects. Don't touch any tree.
I just love the environment, the way it's very cool.
Maybe you have sugar cane. You should put for her. It is. What?
There, that one.
But can I manage eating without a knife?
Cut from her.
The one operating
They have
is not allowed.
what?
It's alcohol sodas.
That made sugar cane.
But we are still continuing.
My boss.
Ita, what is this? Kai, what is this?
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Big
Ah.
I sent your photo.
A chip.
Okay.
We are passing this way, Miriam.
Okay.
Check, I'm doing a camera. I'm doing a video instead of.
It's real.
Hey!
Okay, guys, look here. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Mommy! No.
Forest canteen. Yeah. Just briefly. Okay. Let me continue. What is that? What was up there?
A squirrel.
Oh, squirrel.
Who is it?
I think it tells you.
They are very common.
The hammock no longer exists.
The hammock of it comes.
The bird.
Yeah. It comes.
You should show me that.
Actually,
What is this?
nest was here.
I don't know. It has fruits.
Where is it?
The nest.
Yeah.
You see where to go.
The hammock place. That's what I do.
Mimi, I think you've taken long.
No, it's such a long time. The place has changed.
You are flying.
I've never felt this heat in Fortportal. Probably a climate change is real. You should see the stream.
William likes fishing. So when we are coming, we shall come with fish rods.
This stream, what you call Marlboro plant, is very good feed for chicken.
Oh, for chicken. Okay.
Even for the highly nutritious. So, use a little as a hedge, but also feeds.
Okay.
You can imagine.
Check like a walkway. Oh, this is. Oh, so this is the other pond. I'll come and fish. Hey, I've seen a car.
Your father just handed over all his riches. As in, relocating for a job. Please, I didn't tell you. He's got a very good job. In Nairobi.
Who?
Mukawakatu. So she's very big. With a city bank.
Now this cottage.
When you come, you stay in this cottage.
I think I should stay here, Julie. Me, I'm going to stay in this cottage now.
Yes.
I can imagine if you bring Anita and Harry. They'll be like Kampala Bye. Are you careful? But
The kids are not here, they are with the manager.
Okay, this is a nice. It's a nice cottage to stay in.
And rabbits were here. And I hate no wireless.
It's not better inside.
This is good.
Oh, I
This island.
So when people come and want to stay here, they can use that.
Yes, they come and stay here.
Oh, okay. Is it open or they have? Are there rooms or it is an open space?
There are rooms.
There are rooms. Okay.
There's even a kitchen and
Oh, it's a full house, eh? This is
even a
good.
family stays.
Yes.
Yes. Alan agezile kusoma.
We need to come and stay in this cottage.
Agnes.
Near the water. But what I'm asking, do you find mosquitoes in this water where there's fish?
But the fish will not allow the mosquitoes.
To grow.
Yeah.
Okay.
The mosquito, the fish eat
They eat the love of the
yes.
nature is beautiful. What is this?
These are tree tomatoes. They are nice.
They're called tree tomatoes?
Yes. You'll get some, you'll eat some as we go up there. I think
Okay.
some find great ones. They are nice. Very nice. This one is supposed to be a dryer, but it is in bad shape. It has been spoiled.
Oh, where you dry the herbs and everything.
Yes, yes. And down here is supposed to be rabbits. Because when this one gets spoiled, the rabbits shift the rabbits to another place.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you don't see the rabbits up there. Otherwise, this is supposed to be a rabbit island. And
It is.
Rabbits are always here. Very soon, you shall put them back.
It is hot. Take my bottle. You know what is missing here?
Yeah.
You need a swimming pool.
A swimming pool. Robina, you come and put a swimming pool.
Yeah, you need.
We have a plan.
Yes.
There should be a swimming pool because
Because
when
the plan there between Ernest and ourselves, we have a plan for a swimming pool and an enclosed.
because when people come to tour, yes.
Huh?
The person who was the kids.
No, it's far. It's far.
We'll come back another time.
It's beautiful.
It looks beautiful. The cottage looks beautiful. The cottage looks beautiful even. You can see here.
Nka. But I'm sure I'm going to have to figure out the screen. So I'm going to have an yeah, come. I'm sure she was. Fine.
Now, maybe of all pictures, your sugar cane. Enjoy your sugar canes.
Careful, Kai, careful. This abanje bakabwara. That boy reacts to anything playing.
That means this rock is very big.
Did you tell me
That this sponge is
Deep, eh?
even perfectly.
That means it's very deep. That means this rock is very big. Yes?
It is.
a real edible thing?
It's edible, eh?
It's called strawberry guava. When you find
Strawberry guava. I've been seeing them and they have shiny leaves, eh?
Abana bana bana bakoze bakwasa kule sakati ekintu kyasiera kino. Kuntukayo. Kuntukayo. Ndio kuzisa wala. So imagine me asking. So now for us, now this side, there is no Susan.
our childhood, but we come here to fetch firewood. Oh, I suffered as a child.
For real? But it was fun.
For me, I used to bring tea
For you tried.
But this guy remember this.
But I'm the last one. But you don't suffer. Oh, but madam, Munyambe. Kai is not easy.
Is this us? Why is okay is used to his place.
So you see how we forgot the reason. Then after Clovis, me and Sugar.
It's a real forest. Me, I like forest walks. This is nice. By the time you're out of here,
We didn't plan, we should have brought books.
by the time you're out of here, you're feeling fresh.
But be careful, eh? They have insects. Western insects are really bite.
Yes?
Guys, walk.
Is this one big?
Even the strings are drying.
I'm wearing that.
Okay.
But I was in right?
Sharing is caring. Can you share call with me?
Before you will cut her car.
You can see space.
So this on this side is yours. On this side is ours. You walk on that. But you go is a sente. Maybe you had your quarter.